Meanwhile, in neighboring Japan, policymakers there have raised their benchmark interest rate to its highest in 31 years in response to soaring global energy prices. Our Kim Jun-hong covers this policy decision and its potential impact on South Korea.
Japan's central bank has raised its main interest rate to a 31-year high from 0.75% to 1% after a surge in global energy prices. The outcome was in line with market expectations, with policymakers seen prioritizing inflation risks over concerns about slowing growth. The Bank of Japan also signaled that more rate hikes could follow. The move comes as central banks around the world begin shifting back toward tighter monetary policy. The European Central Bank last week raised all three of its key interest rates by a quarter percentage point. Attention is now turning to the Federal Reserve's policy meeting scheduled for Wednesday, with markets watching for hawkish guidance from Chair Kevin Warsh. The shift could eventually extend to Korea as well. While the Bank of Korea held rates steady at 2.5% in May, the first policy meeting led by Governor 신현송의 revealed a more hawkish tone, with a minority of board members favoring a rate hike. That sentiment was also reflected in the central bank's rate projections, with some policymakers seeing room for the benchmark rate to rise by as much as 75 basis points later this year. Experts say Korea's own economic conditions are enough to justify a rate hike, regardless of the global tightening cycle.
Korea's recent stock market rally has been fueled by excess liquidity. As more money flows into stocks and real estate, the risk of an asset bubble grows. Much of that investment is financed through borrowing, further increasing financial risks. Raising interest rates will be key to cooling the market.
Markets expect the tightening cycle to extend beyond a single rate hike in the second half of the year. As economic conditions evolve rapidly, the timing and pace of further rate hikes will depend on how domestic and global risks unfold. Kim Jun-hong, Arirang News.